Well, guys, we got another Western Star back today. Replace the steer tire. Got a big old cut in the side. He wants it off, and then we gotta do a wheel seal back here. That one's leaking pretty good, so we'll get it moved, get it pulled up into the shop, and probably do the steer tire first and then do this wheel seal. Things are a pain to back up because this whole back swivels. So get these cars moved and get this truck in the shop. See it there. Told that guy not to park his car there, and he always does. So if it gets hit, that's on him. Oh, I can't see it anymore, it's all dusty. See if we swing this awfully far out of here, if we can miss old boy's car. We're going to. Yep, we're gonna miss it. Let's get it in, get these tires off, and start working. Well, we got it inside. Got the AC machine hooked up to it. It was a little low. Vacuum testing it right now. Got the tire off. Shop's still a wreck. Ain't been here. Got it airing down. Got the ugly service van way over there. And we still got Betty White sitting there. Ain't done nothing with it. So, got a brand new steer tire in the service truck. So I guess we better roll that thing on in here. Ready to have some fun with this thing. Here's our new stayer. They wanted a double coin. Oh God, that's what they got. So looks like it's been sitting on the shelf for a while. But I'll get this rolled up, pulled out the truck, get that one popped off, get this one popped on, and then finish up the AC. I gotta hook the laptop to it, check the codes for the Allison. I manually checked the codes, not the codes, but the fluid level through the keypad, and it's good. So we'll hook up the old diesel laptop to it and see if there's something going on with the trans. They say it shifts fine, but it just throws a wrench light every once in a while. So Once we get that back together, I'll pull it in some more, and then we'll pull these wheels off. But with how goofy this damn trailer is, I try not to get it too far in. So let's get this tire pulled on out of here. Big bastard. Old 385 65R 22.5. So get this thing in there. Keep this job rolling so I can make it home tonight. Well, we wrestled that bear off. This one wasn't so much of a bear to get on. We got it airing up right now in the auto inflator. Had to use both cheetahs with the airline hooked up. Didn't have enough hands, but we got it. So we'll get this finished getting this aired up, get it back on the truck. The AC is charged, passed the leak test. So after we do that, I'll pull it up some more. We'll check the codes on the trans with the diesel laptop, and then we will go ahead and pull that drive wheel end off and do a wheel seal. Well guys, it's about midnight. This job has been a real treat. The axle nut is being a real bear. I've got the electric heater on there. This thing's so tight, I can't even get it off. I even tried putting my impact on there. Broke the welds, stripped the socket, had the weld extension in there. Had to weld the socket back together. And oh, not to mention the caliper was bad. So it wasn't working. With the brakes applied, it was still spinning. Couldn't adjust it, couldn't tighten it up. So luckily, I got lucky and Freightliner actually had one. The heat shield, not the heat shield, the dust shield, of course, broke up there. And the bolt broke off down there, and Freightliner wants like $600 for that damn dust shield. Made of pop can metal. So needless to say, I didn't order that. We're going to get the welder out and we're going to fix that one ourselves once we can get this nut off. And luckily, I did buy a new little nut. The nut's on the cart over there. So, it's going real good. Having a ball. It's trucks like this that make me remember why I hate doing this and don't want to do it anymore. So, hopefully, I'll be home in a couple hours, but I don't see this coming back apart very easily. It might get to the point where I just put it back together and we're going to deal with this another day so this truck can roll down the highway tomorrow. So, poor life decisions, that's what I call it. Should have stayed in school. Well, we didn't have any luck getting the nut off. I broke the socket, so I'm out of sockets. So I have to get a new one tomorrow. Put it all back together just for now to get the truck out of the shop. If they want to work the truck, they can. Calipers on. Patch that dust cover tomorrow too. It's not really leaking that bad. It just whenever it stops, it runs out of the rim. Sorry for the language, but like I said, it's around 3:30 in the morning, and these guys are going to be calling to want to pick this truck up here shortly. So we'll go ahead and back it on out and get it spun around. I ain't had a day like this in a long time. This truck just fought me every step of the way. So, one thing about this truck that was easy was the AC job. So, and checking trans codes. So I'm gonna go ahead and back this out, turn it around, and I'm going home, take a shower, and would eat dinner, but I guess it's probably breakfast time. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll start a new video, or I might just add it into this one. I don't know yet. So thanks. Well, guys, it's not 3 in the morning, and the truck is back. It's 2 days later. I had to order a Tiger Tool socket. It was $180 just for the socket. But we had some success today. We got the nut off. You can pull this hub now. Actually, I had to got it off with this Tiger Tool 3 3/4 socket. And this bad Larry right here. So Snap-on 1-inch drive impact. I've never ever seen an axle nut that tight. But so time to get the hub ripped off, get it cleaned up, and drive a new seal in it and put it back together. Just sucks doing it twice. Ain't no money in this job, that's for damn sure. Just chalk this one up to a loss and keep it moving. Thanks, guys. So we're wrapping up the Sweet Western Star. Love this truck. Oh, I like the color on them. Got the hub back on, got the caliper back on. I welded and fixed his bracket, new bolts. Put that back on, saved the customer $650 on that thing. New axle nut, new seal, new locking rings, the like ring in here, and then this one. So we're gonna finish getting the axle cleaned up, get a new axle gasket on this. They use silicone. Gonna fill this hub up with oil, put the wheels back on it, brakes are already adjusted, chambers on. So this one, oh, and we got the dipstick tube in it too. So, and then we just got roll bag dropped off, needs a bed pin replaced. That's gonna be a fun job. So all right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video for the Western Star. I do got to go run out and change an airbag on one of their other trucks. So this job was a pain in the ass. Didn't make any money on it, but it's the way it goes sometimes. So thanks, guys.